Elon Musk is more than a businessman. He's a visionary shaping the future of humanity. While most people know him for Tesla and SpaceX, there are lesser-known projects that Musk is working on, each more groundbreaking than the last. From revolutionary brain implants to interplanetary colonization, these 7 secret projects reveal a glimpse of a world that could soon be reality. Let's explore them one by one, from number 7 to number 1. Number 7, Starlink. Starlink is one of Elon Musk's most ambitious projects, aiming to create a global internet network using thousands of small satellites in low Earth orbit. The idea is simple but revolutionary. Starlink provides high-speed, reliable internet to every corner of the planet, especially in areas where traditional internet services are unavailable or unreliable. These satellites work together to form a massive constellation blanketing the Earth with internet coverage for remote villages. Ships at sea or disaster-stricken regions, Starlink offers a lifeline to stay connected. Unlike traditional satellites' internet, which is often slow and has high latency, Starlink's low-orbit design ensures faster speeds and better performance comparable to or even surpassing broadband connections. Currently, Starlink has over 4,000 satellites in orbit with plans to expand this number to 12,000 and eventually 42,000. Each satellite communicates with others using laser links, creating a seamless web of connectivity. Users only need a small pizza box-sized dish to access the network, making it highly accessible beyond providing internet access to underserved regions. Starlink has applications in disaster recovery where communication lines are often destroyed. It has already been deployed in crisis zones, such as during the war in Ukraine and after natural disasters like hurricanes. Starlink isn't just about internet access, it's a critical enabler for future technologies. It supports Tesla's autonomous driving systems, connects remote scientific research station, and could even play a role in SpaceX's Mars mission by ensuring communication between Earth and the Red Planet. The revenue generated from Starlink is also a significant part of SpaceX's funding model, helping finance other groundbreaking projects like Starship and the Mars colonization plan, with its potential to bring the internet to billions of people. Starlink is not just a tech innovation. It's a step toward a more connected and inclusive world. Number 6, Hyperloop, the future of transportation. The Hyperloop is Elon Musk's bold vision to revolutionize transportation. Imagine traveling between cities at over 700 mph per hour, faster than most airplanes, all while staying on the ground. The idea is simple. A pod carrying passengers or cargo moves through a low-pressed tube, almost eliminating air resistance and friction. This allows the pod to travel at incredible speeds with minimal energy use. Elon Musk first introduced the concept in 2013, describing it as a mix between a high-speed train and an airplane. Unlike traditional trains, the Hyperloop doesn't run on tracks but floats using magnetic levitation. The low-press environment inside the tube ensures a smooth, silent ride. This isn't just about speed, it's also about efficiency. The Hyperloop is designed to be powered by renewable energy like solar panels along the tub's exterior, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to cars and planes. The potential benefits are staggering. Imagine traveling from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes, or from New York to Washington, D.C. in under 20 minutes. Long commutes could become a thing of the past, transforming how people live and work. Cities that are hours apart today could become closely connected, creating new opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. While Musk hasn't focused on building the Hyperloop himself, he outsourced the concept, inviting companies worldwide to develop it. Several organizations have since taken up the challenge, building test tracks and prototypes. One of the most promising test tracks is located in Nevada, where pods have already reached speeds of over 300 miles per hour. During trials, the Hyperloop isn't just about passenger travel. It could also revolutionize freight transport, allowing goods to move quickly and efficiently across regions. This would reduce the reliance on trucks and airplanes, cutting down on greenhouse gas emissions and improving supply chains. However, challenges remain. Building the infrastructure for a Hyperloop is expensive and requires significant engineering breakthroughs. Safety concerns, land acquisition, and regulatory hurdles also need to be addressed before it can become a reality. But Elon Musk believes these challenges can be overcome with time and innovation. The Hyperloop represents more than just a new way to travel. It's a vision for a connected and sustainable future. It could reshape urban landscapes, reduce pollution, and bring people closer together. While it's still in development, the Hyperloop's potential to change the way we move is undeniable. Musk's dream of making transportation faster, greener, and more efficient could one day become a reality, transforming the way we experience the world. Number 5. Tesla Bot. Elon Musk's Tesla Bot, also known as Optimus, is a project straight out of science fiction. Imagine a humanoid robot that looks like it stepped out of a futuristic movie but is designed to assist humans in real life. Standing at 5 feet 8 inches in tall and weighing around 125 pounds. Tesla Bot is built to perform tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or simply boring for humans. The idea behind Tesla Bot is simple yet groundbreaking. To create a robot that can navigate the human world just like we do. It's designed to walk, carry objects, and interact with its environment using advanced sensors and artificial intelligence. Tesla Bot can lift up to 45 pounds, move at a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour, and even recognize objects and people around it. Musk's vision for Tesla Bot is to take over tasks that people find tedious or unsafe. Imagine having a robot that can assemble parts in a factory, lift heavy objects in a warehouse, or even help with everyday chores like carrying groceries or cleaning. Tesla Bot could be a game changer for industries like manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. What makes Tesla Bot unique is its brain, the same AI that powers Tesla's self-driving cars. This allows the robot to learn from its surroundings and adapt to new tasks. For example, it could work in a factory during the day and help with household chores in the evening. Musk believes Tesla Bot will eventually become as common as smartphones, assisting people in their daily lives. While the prototype was first revealed in 2021, Tesla is continually refining the design. Musk has stated that the robot will prioritize safety, ensuring it can't harm humans or make autonomous decisions that could lead to accidents. It's designed to be lightweight, easy to control, and entirely under human supervision. The long-term vision for Tesla Bot goes beyond simple tasks. Musk envisions a future where humanoid robots can handle complex activities like caregiving for the elderly, providing companionship, or even assisting in dangerous rescue missions. In Musk's eyes, these robots could help create a society where humans focus on creativity and innovation while machines handle the labor-intensive work. Though still in its early stages, Tesla Bot represents a massive leap toward integrating robots into everyday life. It's not just about creating a tool, it's about redefining the relationship between humans and machines. With Tesla Bot, Musk is pushing the boundaries of what technology can do, offering a glimpse into a future where robots work alongside us to make life easier, safer, and more efficient. Number 4. Neuralink. Neuralink is one of Elon Musk's most daring and futuristic projects. The goal to create a direct interface between the human brain and computers. This project, launched in 2016, is aimed at merging humans with artificial intelligence to unlock unprecedented possibilities for understanding and enhancing the human mind. Neuralink involves the development of tiny flexible threads that can be implanted into the brain to connect neurons with a computer chip. The idea may sound like something out of a sci-fi novel, but Musk sees it as a critical step in keeping up with the rapid advancement of AI. Neuralink technology has the potential to help people with severe neurological conditions. For example, it could restore motor functions for paralyzed individuals, help blind people regain their sight, or enable those with speech impairments to communicate directly through their thoughts. The Neuralink device is designed to be minimally invasive. Tiny electrodes, thinner than a strand of hair, are implanted into specific regions of the brain using a robot for precision. These electrodes read electrical signals from neurons and transmit them to a computer where they are decoded. This allows for two-way communication between the brain and external devices. One of Neuralink's early goals is to help people control prosthetic limbs or computer interfaces using just their thoughts. Imagine a paralyzed person moving a robotic arm simply by thinking about it, or a person typing out words on a screen without lifting a finger. The technology has already shown promising results in animal trials, where monkeys have been able to play video games using only their minds. Beyond medical applications, Neuralink has even more ambitious goals. Musk envisions a future where humans can use the technology to enhance their cognitive abilities, such as memory, focus, and learning speed. It could also enable brain-to-brain communication, creating entirely new ways for people to interact. Musk refers to this as achieving a symbiosis with AI where humans and machines work seamlessly together. Of course, Neuralink faces significant challenges. Brain surgery, even with advanced robotics, carries risks, and there are ethical concerns about privacy and the potential misuse of brain-computer interfaces. Critics have also raised questions about the long-term safety of such devices and the possibility of hacking or external control. Despite these concerns, Musk remains optimistic. Neuralink is already working to secure regulatory approvals for human trials, with plans to test the device on patients with spinal cord injuries in the near future. Musk believes that Neuralink could eventually become a common medical tool, helping millions of people around the world. The potential applications of Neuralink are staggering, from curing diseases to enhancing human capabilities. This technology could redefine what it means to be human. While it's still in its early stages, Neuralink represents a bold step toward a future where the line between biology and technology is blurred. With this project, Musk is not just innovating, he's exploring the very frontiers of human potential. Number 3. SpaceX Starship. SpaceX Starship is Elon Musk's dream to take humanity beyond Earth. This isn't just about building a rocket, it's about creating a spacecraft that can take people to the Moon, Mars, and even other planets. Starship is designed to be the most powerful rocket ever built, capable of carrying up to 100 passengers or tons of cargo in a single trip. What makes Starship special is its goal of being fully reusable. Unlike traditional rockets that are discarded after one launch, Starship is built to land, refuel, and fly again. This will drastically reduce the cost of space travel, making it possible for more people to explore space. Musk's ultimate vision is to make space travel as common as air travel, opening up opportunities for exploration and even colonization. The rocket itself is massive, standing at 394 foot tall. When paired with its booster, it's super heavy. It's made of stainless steel, giving it the strength to withstand extreme temperatures during launch and re-entry. Starship is powered by Raptor engines, some of the most advanced rocket engines ever created, which use methane and oxygen as fuel. This choice of fuel is intentional. It's something that can be produced on Mars, making the rocket more sustainable for long-term missions. Musk's main focus with Starship is to colonize Mars. He believes humanity needs to become a multiplanetary species to survive in the long run. Starship is designed to carry everything needed to build a settlement on Mars, including equipment, supplies, and people. Musk has even talked about launching fleets of Starships to Mars, creating the first human colony on another planet. But Starship isn't just about Mars, it's also being developed for missions closer to home, like returning astronauts to the Moon under NASA's Artemis program. Musk envisions using Starship for Earth-based travel too, allowing people to fly between cities in under an hour by launching into space and landing on the other side of the planet. Starship has already undergone multiple tests, including successful high-altitude flights and landings. While some prototypes have exploded during testing, each failure has been a step forward, teaching SpaceX engineers how to improve the design. This project is about more than technology. It's about changing how we think about the future. Musk wants to inspire people to dream big, to imagine a world where space is no longer a frontier but a new home. With Starship, Elon Musk is not just building a rocket, he's building a path to the stars. Number 2. The Boring Company. Elon Musk's Boring Company is on a mission to solve one of the biggest problems of modern cities: traffic congestion. Instead of expanding roads or building new highways, Musk wants to take transportation underground. The idea is simple yet revolutionary: creating a network of tunnels beneath cities where electric vehicles and pods can travel at high speeds, bypassing surface traffic entirely. The concept started as a joke when Musk tweeted about his frustration with Los Angeles traffic. But soon after, the Boring Company was born, turning the joke into a serious engineering project. The company uses advanced tunneling machines to dig faster and cheaper than traditional methods, aiming to make underground travel practical and affordable. The heart of the project is the loop system. In this system, specially designed pods or Teslas travel through underground tunnels at speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. Unlike subways, the loop is meant to provide a personalized experience. Riders can book a pod, avoid stops, and travel directly to their destination without delays. One of the first successful loop projects was built in Las Vegas. This system connects different parts of the Las Vegas Convention Center, allowing visitors to travel between locations in minutes. Musk envisions expanding the loop to connect the entire city, making it easier for people to get around quickly and efficiently. The Boring Company also plans to use its tunnels for Hyperloop technology, a high-speed transportation system that could connect cities in record time. This involves pods traveling through low-press tubes at speeds of over 600 miles per hour. Musk believes this could replace long-distance car travel and even compete with short-haul flights by moving transportation underground. Musk is tackling more than just traffic. Underground systems are immune to weather-reduced noise pollution and free up surface space for parks and buildings. They also have the potential to transform urban design, making cities more livable and less car-dependent. Of course, there are challenges digging tunnels. It's expensive and time-consuming, and there are concerns about safety and environmental impact. But Musk's team is working to address these issues, developing faster tunneling machines and ensuring the tunnels are earthquake-resistant and safe for passengers. The Boring Company's vision extends beyond cities. Musk has hinted at using tunnels for cargo transport, making global shipping faster and more efficient. There's even talk of connecting countries through underground networks, potentially changing the way the world moves goods and people while it's still early days. The Boring Company is already showing how underground transportation could reshape the future. Musk's determination to think differently and tackle urban problems head-on is yet another example of his ability to push boundaries and turn ambitious ideas into reality. Number 1. Mars colonization. At the top of Elon Musk's list of ambitious projects is perhaps his most extraordinary vision. Colonizing Mars. Musk believes that humanity's survival depends on becoming a multiplanetary species. In his view, Earth is vulnerable to disasters like asteroid impacts, climate change, or nuclear wars. By establishing a self-sustaining civilization on Mars, we could ensure the continuation of human life no matter what happens on Earth. This dream is at the core of SpaceX, the aerospace company Musk founded in 2002. His plan is bold but clear. Use SpaceX's Starship spacecraft to transport humans and supplies to Mars. Starship is designed to carry up to 100 passengers per trip, with the ultimate goal of creating a thriving city on the Red Planet. Musk envisions fleets of starships launching regularly, carrying settlers, building materials, and essential supplies to Mars. Why Mars? Musk has often explained that it's the most feasible option for colonization in our solar system. Mars has a day similar in length to Earth's polar ice caps that could provide water and the potential for generating oxygen and fuel. While the planet is far from hospitable, Musk's plan includes developing technologies to create sustainable habitats, grow food, and produce energy on Mars. The timeline for this ambitious project is aggressive. Musk has stated that he hopes to send the first crewed mission to Mars in the 2030s. The initial missions will focus on scouting the planet, testing survival technologies, and setting up basic infrastructure. Over time, the goal is to establish a city with a population of 1 million people. The challenges are immense. The journey to Mars takes months, exposing travelers to radiation and other risks. Once their settlers will face extreme cold, a thin atmosphere, and limited resources. But Musk is undeterred. SpaceX is already developing advanced life support systems, radiation shielding, and techniques for producing fuel and oxygen on Mars using local resources. Mars colonization isn't just about survival, it's also about inspiration. Musk hopes this endeavor will unite humanity in a shared vision of exploration and discovery. He believes that the idea of becoming a space-faring civilization can spark innovation, creativity, and a renewed sense of purpose for people on Earth. Crises have raised questions about the feasibility and ethics of colonizing another planet. They argue that we should focus on solving problems here on Earth before looking to the stars. Musk, however, sees Mars colonization as a parallel effort, one that could inspire solutions to Earth's challenges while also preparing for a long-term future. Mars colonization is more than just a dream for Elon Musk, it's a mission through SpaceX and Starship. He's laying the groundwork for one of the most daring adventures in human history. If successful, this project could mark the beginning of a new era where humanity extends its reach beyond Earth and takes its first steps toward becoming a truly interplanetary species. These projects show that Elon Musk is not just shaping the present but also building the future. Each idea pushes the boundaries of what's possible, solving problems on Earth while opening doors to new worlds. If you found these projects fascinating, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. The future is closer than we think, and Musk's vision is leading the way.